Good morning, students. Chapter 4, Motion in a Plane. Last topic we discussed projectile motion. Now some questions based on projectile motion. See, example 4.7. Galileo in his book Two New Sciences stated that for elevations which exceed or fall short of 45 degrees by equal amounts, the ranges are equal. First of all, we will understand this statement. See, for elevations means angle which exceed or fall short of 45 degree by equal amounts. What is meaning of this? See, here it is. First case, object is thrown with initial velocity v0 at angle theta 1. Second case, object is thrown at angle with initial velocity v0 at angle theta 2. Now, for elevations which exceed or fall short of 45 degree by equal amounts means here I am assuming this theta 1 is equal to 45 degree plus theta. Okay, and here I am assuming theta 2 is equal to 45 degree minus theta. Clear about this? So now understand this statement. For elevations means angle theta 1 and theta 2 which exceed or fall short of 45 plus theta, 45 minus theta by equal amounts means theta. Okay, then the ranges are equal in these two cases. In these two cases, if in this first case ranges R1, okay, what is range? Range is nothing but horizontal distance. If it is range R1 and if it is range R2, then yes, you have to prove okay, this R1 and R2 they are equal. Yes, R1 and R2 they are equal. Clear? So what is meaning? For elevations means angle which exceed or fall short of 45 degree by equal amounts, the ranges are equal. Okay, now see, we have considered in both cases initial velocity same. Okay, let initial velocity is v0. Now first case, here we will find range. What is equation of range? Yes, you know what is equation of range. Range is equal to R is equal to v0 square sine 2 theta 0 upon g. For case 1, if I want to find R1, then R1, what is initial velocity? v0. So here it is v0 square. Sine 2, what is angle here? It is theta 1. So yes, here it is theta 1 divided by g. Clear about this? Is equal to v0 square sine 2. Put value of theta 1. What is theta 1? 45 degree plus theta. 45 degree plus theta divided by g is equal to, here it is v0 square. 2, multiply this 2 in bracket. Okay, so it is sine 2 into 45, it is 90 degree, plus 2 into theta, it is 2 theta, divided by g. Now, remember last lecture? Sine 90 plus theta, it is cos theta. Sine 90 plus theta, it is cos theta. So here it is v0 square cos 2 theta, because here angle is 2 theta, divided by, here it is g, divided by, here it is g. So what is equation of R1? R1 is equal to v0 square cos 2 theta upon g. v0 square cos 2 theta upon g. Clear about this? Now for second case, see, in second case initial velocity is v0. What is angle? It is theta 2. What is angle? It is theta 2. Then how to write? See, it is R2 is equal to v0 square sine 2 theta 2 divided by g. Clear? What is change? Okay, now put value is equal to v0 square sine 2. What is value of theta 2? 45 degree minus theta. 45 degree minus theta divided by g. Divided by g. So yes is equal to, it is v0 square sine. If you multiply these two in bracket, then yes you will get 90 minus 2 theta, and here it is divided by g. Yes, in last lecture we have discussed sine 90 minus theta, it is cos theta. Yes or no? Yes it is. Then it is equal to, it is v0 square cos 2 theta divided by g. Now see, observe equation of R1, v0 square cos 2 theta upon g. Observe equation of R2, v0 square cos 2 theta upon g. Yes, R1 is equal to R2. Here, R1 is equal to R2. So yes, statement is proved. What is statement? For elevations which exceed or fall short of 45 degree by equal amounts, the ranges are equal. Clear? Okay. Now, one note you have to remember. One note you have to remember. See, what is theta 1? Theta 1 is equal to 45 degree plus theta. Yes. Theta 2 is equal to 45 degree minus theta. Now add theta 1 and theta 2. It is theta 1 plus theta 2. 45 plus 45, it will be 90. Theta minus theta cancel. Okay, so theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90. See, what is condition? If theta 1 is equal to 45 plus theta, theta 2 is equal to 45 minus theta, then ranges are same. Then yes, we can make another condition. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 with same initial speed, if theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 for same initial speed, ranges are same. Ranges are same. What is meaning of this? See, if I am taking one example, if I am taking one example, one object is thrown at angle 60 degree with speed v0. Clear? Okay. Another object is thrown at angle 30 degree with same speed v0. See, add these two angles, 60 plus 30 degree, it will be 90. So in these cases, if this range is R1 and this range is R2, R1 is equal to R2. R1 is equal to R2. It is meaning or it is conclusion of this theory. If for same initial speed, theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90, ranges in both cases are same, are equal. Clear? Okay. Yes, you may be asked reverse question. For example, in this case, object is thrown with speed v0 at angle 50 degree. In another case, object is thrown at some angle. I don't know what is this angle, but yes, speed is v0. And in this case, ranges R1, ranges R2, and these ranges are equal. And these ranges are equal. Understand? First case, initial speed v0 at angle 50 degree. Another case, speed v0, angle I don't know, range R1 and R2 they are same. Then find what is this angle. You have to find this angle. Yes, in both cases ranges are equal. Write your answer in comment box. For this case, what is angle such that the ranges are equal? The ranges are equal. Okay, so yes, it is one question. Yes, we can say it is one question based on projectile motion, and you have to remember this conclusion. You have to remember this conclusion. Okay. Okay, next question is example 4.8. A hiker stands on the edge of a cliff 490 meters above the ground and throws a stone horizontally with an initial speed of 15 meters per second. Find time taken by the stone to reach the ground and the speed at which it hits the ground. Take value of gravitational acceleration 9.8 meters per second square. Now see, understand data. A hiker stands on the edge of a cliff 490 meters above the ground. Chalo, it is ground. Yes, it is ground. Cliff Yes, person is standing here. Person is standing here. Okay. Yes. What is this height? This height is, it is 490 meter. It is 490 meter. Okay. And throws a stone horizontally with initial speed. Horizontally. Throws a stone horizontally. Okay. Like this. Horizontally with initial speed of 15 meter per second, means V0 is equal to 15 meter per second. Find the time taken by stone to reach the ground. Yes, the stone will reach the ground. In some time, you have to find that time. You have to find that time. Now see here. If you throw any object in horizontal direction, observe its path. Observe its path. Yes, as we throw, we are giving some kinetic energy. Then due to that, initially it will move in horizontal direction. But this object is under two individual motion. First, one horizontal and gravitational acceleration, that is always in downward direction. So its path will be like this. Its path will be like this. Clear? That is parabolic. That is parabolic. Okay, if you have observed such motion, then you will understand. Okay, if you throw any object horizontally, yes, it will not move like this. Initially, it will move horizontally, then it will be like this. No, it will perform projectile motion, parabolic path. Okay, so yes, if you throw any object in horizontal direction, it will follow such path. It will follow such path. Clear about this? Yes, see here. It throws stone in horizontal direction, in this direction. What is theta 0? Theta 0 is angle of projection, angle made with positive x-axis or angle made with horizontal. With horizontal, if you throw any object in horizontal direction, then yes, its angle of projection is 0. Its angle of projection is 0. So yes, here you have to remember, okay, for horizontal projection, angle of projection theta 0 is equal to 0 degree. Okay, so yes, this first point you have to remember. For horizontal projection, angle of projection theta 0 is equal to 0. Now first question is, you have to find time taken by stone to reach the ground. See, initially stone is here, finally it will be here. Okay, so what is its displacement? 490 degree. Initially here, then it will be on ground. So what is its vertical distance? 490 meter. Vertical distance 490 meter. Vertical means y. Vertical means y component. So yes, remember equation of y component. See, okay, here y is equal to v0 sine theta 0t minus half gt square. Yes, we know this equation. Why to take equation of y here? Initially stone is here, finally it is on ground. So yes, from figure we can say displacement of stone is 490 meter. It is 490 meter in vertical direction. So you have to take y component. Clear? Okay. Now see how to put value of y. 490 meter, but object is moving in downward direction, so it is minus 490 is equal to, what is initial speed v0? It is 15. Sine, what is initial angle? 0. T, I don't know. Minus half, what is value of g? 9.8. And here it is t square. Here it is t square. Clear about this? Okay. So yes, minus 490 is equal to, what is value of sine 0? Sine 0's value is 0. 9.8 divided by 2, it is minus 4.9 t square. Clear about this? Okay, so yes, this minus cancel out. If you make t square as subject, then t square is equal to, it is 490 divided by, it is 4.9. It is 4.9. And if you simplify, you will get it is 100. You will get it is 100. And therefore, t is equal to, it is 10. T is equal to, it is 10 seconds. Clear about this? So it is your first answer. Find time taken by stone to reach the ground. Find time taken by stone to reach the, okay, it is 10 seconds. Second question. And the speed at which it hits the ground. Speed, you have to find speed at which it will hit the ground. See, how to find speed? Yes, we know its equation. Speed v is equal to under root vx square plus vy square. So first of all, we have to find x component and y component of velocity when it hits the ground. It hits the ground at time t is equal to 10 seconds. It hits the ground at time t is equal to 10 seconds. Then see here, x component of velocity, at time t is equal to t. We know that Vx at any time, horizontal component of velocity is same, and it is Vx is equal to V0x is equal to V0 cos theta 0. What is value of V0? Yes, here it is 15. Cos 0, students, cos 0 means it is 1, then it is 15 meter per second. Clear about this? Now y component, see, y component of velocity. Y component of velocity at time t is equal to t. Vy is equal to V0 sine theta 0 minus gt. Yes, you know this equation? Yes, you know this equation. V0, it is 15 sine 0 minus g 9.8 and t here it is 10. Sine 0, yes it is 0, then it is 0 minus 9.8 into 8 means into 10 means it is minus 98. Clear? So what is value of Vx? 15. At any time, at any point, horizontal component of velocity is 15 meter per second. Y component is minus 98. It is minus 98 meter per second. So now how to find speed? Yes, we have equation of speed. Speed is equal to V is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. Okay, V is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. So yes, put value. Here it is. What is Vx? It is 15 whole square plus minus 98 whole square. You can calculate this easily. Clear? So yes, it is one question based on projectile motion. Remember, why you have to consider equation of y. Okay, now next question. Okay, next one is the question. See, example 4.9. A cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meter per second in a direction 30 degree above the horizontal. Means what is given? 28 meter per second, it is initial velocity, means V0 is 28 meter per second. In direction 30 degree above the horizontal, means theta 0 is equal to 30 degree. Clear? Your first question is find maximum height. What is equation of maximum height? V0 square sin square theta 0 upon 2g. Simple. V0, what is value of V0? 28. Sin theta 0. Sin 30, what is value of sin 30? 1 by 2 and it's square divided by 2. Take value of g, g is equal to, it is 10 meter per second square. Simple. Second question. Time taken by ball to return the same level. Time taken by ball to return the same level from here to here, means you have to find time of flight, and its equation is Tf is equal to 2 V0 sin theta 0 upon g. So yes, put value to V0 sin theta 0 and g, you will get your answer. Last question is, what is horizontal distance traveled when it will reach again at the same level? Means we have to find range. What is equation of range? I is equal to V0 square sin 2 theta 0 upon g. Yes, V0 you are given, theta 0 you are given. See here, if you place theta 0, that is 30, then 2 into 30 it will be 60 divided by g. Simple question. Okay, you have to remember equations. You have to remember equations of maximum height, time of flight, range. And what is fourth equation? Time to reach maximum height. Clear? So yes, this question you have to solve. It is just calculation. Okay.